Hello guys, Bigger Brother here from Likkle Wizards, and today we will show you a new feature that Google has added to Google Meet. This will help with your privacy and if you just want to change up your background a little. To do this, you need to first open your browser. Because it is in Meet, of course, you will go to Meet. So if you have been using Google Meet for a long time, you should know that before this they already had a blur feature. This is what you would use. Let's say you have people over your house or you're in a public space and you don't want anybody to see you or know where you are. You would go down to here and click one of the two blur features, this being the more intense one. Of course, Google has now updated this to add a list of backgrounds. You can choose anyone you want depending on your mood or personal preference. Now, let's say you forget to change your background before entering the Meet. You can actually still change the background at any point you feel like by simply going into settings and then pressing change background. It will bring up the list and you would do the same as before. I kinda like that one. Okay. So all the Android users out there, this will not work for you. This will only work on PCs. So if you're an Android or mobile user, hopefully Google will update Meet and add the same feature to mobile as well. That is basically all there is to know about selecting backgrounds for Google Meet. If this tutorial helped you or you enjoyed it, leave a like and share. Remember to leave a comment and subscribe to our second channel, Likkle Wizards. Likkle Wizards will see videos much earlier than the Likkle Wizzies viewers, and we are trying to completely move over tutorials to that channel. This is Likkle Wizzies. Thank you for your time, and we will be signing out.